Hey, it's Ryan with Backroad Reviews, and in this video we're going to take a look at the Klola magnetized mat for working on tabletops like this. Wanted to do a shout out. They have a really nice product that doesn't have a lot of reviews, so I wanted to take a look at it. So one of the things we like with this mat is it does have hangers, and there is a the back is a grippy back, so it holds on the tables well. It is magnetized, so when you're taking parts off of your tools, you will be able to adhere them to the magnetized parts of the mat. It does also have some nice trays in there as well. And then you do have some different size holes in here to hold specific types of pins, bolts, that sort of thing for your tools. And then the bottom does have an inch meter, so it goes up to 30 inches on the scale. Overall, very nice mat. We've been using it here for the last 6 months. It's held up very well. I love the fact that you can just hang it up when you're not using it. It stays out of the way. When you do get it initially, it is rolled up, so it may hold that shape. Throw it out in the sun for a few hours, or if it's really hot out, a few minutes, and it will go back to a flat mat. My name's Ryan with Backroad Reviews. Thanks for watching.